Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you are excited about this bonus video showing you how to use any extra lobster meat that you may have left from our previous lobster roll video. We are going to make cheesy lobster garlic bread, yes. So first we're going to slice our ciabatta bread in half. The next thing we're going to do is use the leftover butter we had from our warm Connecticut lobster rolls. And that butter is full of delicious herbs and lemon flavor, so it's going to be perfect base for this. And this will be our base for our garlic butter. So we're going to enhance this with additional softened butter, some more herbs, some garlic, and more lovely seasoning. And we're just going to continue to layer the flavors of the garlic butter. After adding all the ingredients, we're going to stir everything together well. Now it's time to shred our cheese. Packaged cheese can be used for this, but freshly shredded cheese melts so much better. Now we're going to use just a little bit of the garlic butter we just made, and we're going to cook the lobster meat over medium heat for a few minutes. Now we're going to spread our delicious edible gold, our garlic butter, on our ciabatta bread. And by the way, if you still have the garlic butter left over after this recipe, do not throw it out. Keep this butter because you can use it on other things as well. You can use it on pasta. You can use it on more ciabatta garlic toast. You can use it on steak if you're doing like a surf and turf type of dinner. You can use it for a variety of things, and it's already infused with herbs, with lemon, with delicious seasonings. It's delicious. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Now we're going to add our lobster on top of the butter. To toast our bread in the oven, we're going to first add parchment paper to a baking sheet. After placing our bread on the parchment paper, we're going to add on our shredded cheese. In the oven, we're going to broil the bread under low heat until the cheese is slightly golden and melted. And that's it, everyone. We're done with our savory, cheesy lobster garlic bread. This can serve as a nice side, as an appetizer, or even a snack. Enjoy all that buttery goodness. Thanks again for watching this bonus video, and we're going to see you next time.